To create a legend that uses circles instead of squares like Tableau's default legend, I'm going to create a new worksheet and bring sales type, which is our legend category, into the rows and also into the marks as a color. And we could just use this as a legend, but I don't like that the squares are on the right-hand side. So I'm going to right-click sales type and hide the header. To increase the spacing, drag down, and to increase the size of the squares, use the size slider in the markers. Under automatic, I'm going to change it to a circle. And then I'll right-click format, and I'm going to get rid of the row dividers so we're left with just the circles. We'll need 2 worksheets for this, so I'm going to call this circle and create another worksheet called circle 2. In the second worksheet, I'm going to bring sales type into the rows and hide the field label. I'll also drag this down to increase the spacing. And then I'll right-click format to increase the size of the font. I also want to get rid of the row banding and the row dividers, so we're left with just the values and the ABC. To completely get rid of the ABC, what I like to do is pull any measure into the marks and change it from detail to text. Then I'll right-click format and make sure you go to fields and select that specific metric. Then change the font to whatever the same color as your background. And then I'll make it super small so it's not even possible to be able to see it. On the dashboard, I'm going to add both this circle and circle 2 worksheets. I'll hide the title on both of these and mess around with the positioning. I'm also going to go to the circle worksheet real quick and just increase the size so that the circles themselves are bigger. And now the circles are pretty big compared to the font, so I'm also going to increase the size a bit. To link this circle legend to the chart that we have, I'm going to go to Dashboard tab and Actions. I'll hit Add an Action and choose Filter. Under Source Sheet, I just want to have Circle and Circle 2 checked. And under the Target Sheet, I want to have the Chart for Link worksheet. That way, when I interact with the circle or circle 2, it'll filter the chart for link. For the settings, I like to choose to run the action on select, and I like to show all values when clearing the selection. And for the selected fields, I'm going to choose sales type as the link between the two. Now when I click on in-store, the text, or the circle, it'll filter the chart for only in-store sales. And if you want to remove that blue highlighting, I have another video for how to do that.